Hello, I am Kamrul Islam Leon. I am a student of Deophilus International University Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I am a co-founder of INFIT, where we provide web development, mobile app and digital marketer service. I am also a digital marketer and web developer. I complete my SSC Tangal Residential School and College and SSC now Haibullah Model School and College. Now I am studying Computer Science and Engineering. This helped me learn programming and web development and grow my technical skill. I have been working as a digital marketer for some time now. I help business grow online with creative campaign. I love seeing business research more at people and success throughout my work. I am also a web developer. I enjoy create websites that look good, easy to use at INFIT. I work with my team to develop a great result for our client. My goal is to make technology simple and useful to people. Where is website for a marketing campaign? I want to help business grow and make life their customer. In the future, I plan to keep growing in INFIT and take on more projects. I want to continue work as a digital marketer and web developer, helping business with creative and success solutions.